Go.
Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with Marinemax Venice. This is one of our brand new arrivals here. This is a beautiful Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. 32 is one of my favorite boats. It's one of the largest dual console, and I kind of nickname it the sport utility. It's a great family boat, great fishing boat, great diving boat. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll show you some of the cool features on it, some of the options. This particular one is equipped with the big 350 Verados. These are your optional white, which I really like. They're a little bit easier to maintain than the black motors. She has huge trim tabs, underwater lights that you see here. The lines of the boat are just gorgeous all the way around. So you also notice back here, huge hardtop, all powder coated, very easy to maintain. So let's go inside real quick and I'll show you some other cool things. Now this boat also has your fish package, which gives you your rod holders in the back. We have a recirculating bait well here. And we talked about seating before. You've got a tremendous amount of seating all the way around the boat. So even if you're entertaining 10 people, you have plenty of room for that. So your aft seat right here, this folds up out of the way, nice and neat. On this side over here, you do have your dive door. So that's nice, if you catch a big marlin or something, that's cool. But also, if you're trying to get on or off the boat, that works out really well. Plenty of storage right here. We've got our built-in refrigerator. This is a pretty cool function too. You can have these lay all the way down if you want to. And this seat right here also rotates. So everything's pretty much designed for comfort, for lots of seating, lots of storage all the way around. This particular one is a joystick boat, which is incorporated with your autopilot. Turn to the left, turn to the right, digital throttle and shift. Plenty of room here if you want to add electronics. This one also has your auto trim tabs. This particular boat does have a generator. So you have air conditioning inside here. So if you did want to spend the night on the boat or something, you now have a generator with this one. Then as we go towards the front of the boat, everything's super heavy duty as far as our frames and everything, built for durability. Fully enclosed head on this side. There's our shore power cords. And also I'll mention it's very deep on the inside, so very safe, even if you're in rougher water. U-shaped seating up here. She also has the windlass. So just an awesome boat, one of my favorites. So to recap, this is a 2019 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage located at Marinemax in Venice. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you like any additional information, feel free to give us a call here at Marinemax Venice. The number is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.